Albert from Singapore. I'm so proud to share with you about my experiences in Eric's house and what I've learned and how it actually changed my life. So what I've done is actually I visited Eric's while I'm in US for a business trip, and then it totally blew my mind on how great he is, like how he walked the talk in terms of improving your health, your dating life, your happiness, and in life general. So Eric is someone who walks his talk and he knows what he's doing. No, I mean he practices and everything which is great for your health, for the environment, and for everyone in general. So basically, I always want to take my health to another level, take my fitness to another level. So actually, I came across Eric, and he shared with me a lot of good tips and easy to apply tips in eating the healthiest way, and how to improve my life and fitness and everything. So I highly recommend everyone to actually, go join Eric, and yeah, he's the one to look for, and he's extremely down to earth and easy to follow, and he's so nice, and then he's one of the nicest persons that I've come across. So go join him. Thank you.